If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new content. This right here, what you're looking at, is a pool that I just treated for high phosphates. I just put the PR 10,000 in it, and I've made videos on this. But you can see that the pool is quite cloudy. Okay, now it will clear up on its own. What we're gonna do is we're actually going to use some more super blue right here. And this is just clarifier, and I've done some videos on this in the past, but we're gonna put it in. This time we're not gonna put it in a bucket. You can put it in a bucket and actually stir it up, but I'm just going to put it directly in like it says, you know. And what you're gonna do is you're just going to put a little bit around the perimeter. I'm trying to do this and look at the camera too. So we're just gonna put in a little bit. Hopefully you can see that. We're gonna just put a little bit. Does not need a lot. Now what's gonna happen is once that dissolves, it's going to kind of get a little bubbly on the top. I don't know if you can see that actually sinking down. It's hard to see in the sun right now. But it will start to get a little bubbly, and then you will see within 30 minutes, the pool is going to be much clearer. So I just wanted to show you this. And if you do run into any cloudy conditions, go ahead and use this product. There'll be a link in the description where you can pick that up in case you don't have any. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you this video. Thanks for watching.